How you doing, guys? Doing good? The Bitcoin chart still keeping going up? Yeah, so we're gonna look at Bitcoin today. And I've been thinking yesterday and today, like, I think I have to stop doing videos on Phantom, Uniswap, RSR, all the other altcoins, because it's not helping my channel. I'm sorry, guys, I just can't do it. Like, maybe sometimes if something big happens, I might be do that, but I'll focus mostly on Bitcoin right now, because the way I see it, like, if I do a Phantom video, right, all the Phantom fanboys will come watch it, but then I do a RSR video, and then Phantom boys like just click away, don't want to watch that. So I need like to build a base that I can focus around the community, and I cannot just pick from everybody. So it's gonna be Bitcoin, it's gonna be things about Bitcoin, investing and stuff like that. So that's what I'm gonna focus on. And I think that's gonna be better, because I know myself, like, if there's a channel that has Bitcoin technical analysis, I go watch that, and every time he does like Ethereum, something else, I just click away, like. And then it also bothers me, like, when he posts channel, I see like, you won't believe this chart, you have to check it. And then I think it's about Bitcoin, I go there and it's about some altcoin or something like that, and then you kind of get disappointed, you know. And then if that channel keeps on doing the altcoins for a while, you are like, okay, I'm gonna unsubscribe because too much notifications. So right now, I think the best thing for my channel would be to just do Bitcoin. So we're gonna do Bitcoin. If you like Bitcoin, you know, subscribe. So it's gonna be a lot of Bitcoin videos, daily Bitcoin technical analysis videos. Like, okay, Bitcoin moved to $100 in price. We got to check what's going on. Why? Yeah, it's gonna be funny. Okay, so basically right now, Bitcoin on the CME future chart is lying on 11,910. 11,910. It just keeps going up. And if you've been watching my last Bitcoin videos, I've been bearish, and I don't know how long bearish I can be. I mean, I'm just drawing new trend lines all the time, like, okay, this is stop, this is stop, this stop, and just keep on going up. So maybe I should change my stand and become bullish. But I don't know. So let's check out if I should be bullish. Right now, I don't know if I should be. It's still going up. Like, if you look at the moving averages, the red one is 20, and you see it's keeping above 20. Let's put up 10 moving average as well. The light blue line, it's 10 moving average, and you see how it bounces off of the 10. That's the first step. Then the second step is bouncing off to 20. We still haven't bounced off to the 20, so it can just drop down below it. We didn't have confirmation that the 20 is any kind of support yet, because it's just hovering above it and going upwards. We are above 50, and it's keeping the 50. The 50 is yellow, and then you got the blue 100 that was keeping it really nicely, but here, and you can also say that here it kept the 100 moving average. So that's something to have in mind, right? And of course, the 200 moving average is very far from the 200 moving average. 200 moving average is down at 9,435. This is on the daily, 9,435. So the gap is at 9,735 right here. I can draw, put line, let me 9,735. That's the gap. That's the gap close, right? So there's still a way to close the gap and not breaking the 200 moving average. That's really important, right? But then you break on the weekly the 20 moving average, and everybody's like, if you break 20 moving average, it's bear market again. So I don't think people want to break the 20 moving average. And you know, right here we got like this this doji over here, right? Indecisive doji. And I was thinking like, okay, that means maybe we are gonna get the correction downwards, and then it won't just stop the 11,965. And I'm like, it's almost 12. It's almost 12. But 12 is some psychological barrier. So we have some psychological barriers. The first one is at 12. I'll just put it like, okay, that's the 12. That's where we are now. Then we got to the top of the wick here, 12,635. Now if it breaks top of the wick here, if it breaks the 12, like, you know, it's really bullish. They're pushing the price really high up. And if it breaks the 12,635, I mean, I have said, okay, game over. Like, we're bullish. And then the next one, 14,175. I don't think we're gonna go there like in this move. But once we get over there, like there, we're pretty bullish. It's bull run. But you know, we still got CME futures gaps, and we're still talking about CME futures gap. We got close them. How? I don't know. If it doesn't get closed, I mean, a part of me is gonna be relieved because the futures CME gap monster is out of the Bitcoin space and crypto space. Nobody's gonna ever talk about it again. But until it gets closed, like, it just bothers everybody. The CME gaps just bothers everybody. It's in their mind, you know. And I think that's what might push the price down now, you know. The CME gaps, like, because everybody's thinking about it. Everybody's talking about CME gaps, and so maybe people are like, the price is at 12,000. Like, we still got CME gaps. Like, I'm gonna take my profits. A lot of people are taking profits now, so that might be it. But I don't know. But right now, the price is just moving really fast up. Let's draw some trend lines. Let's see some trend lines where we can draw them, right? This one, of course, let's use magnet, just have it more correct. Nice trend lines on top of here, top of the, see, it's just beautiful trend lines. Let's use the green bars. See here, it just broke it so nicely over here and just popped above the 50 and just kept above 50 and just kept going up. I should have been bullish over here, right? But I was saying, like, CME gaps, man, CME gaps, and CME gaps are not closing and it just moving up. So my new theory is maybe CME gaps doesn't have to close, the price has just come down to the gap. And it did come down to the gap. If you see here, it went into the gap. The price went into the gap, and same here on this gap over here. It didn't close it. There's still $20 left, and here's some, but it did get into the gap. So maybe that's the thing. Maybe that's the trick. Just getting into the gap, not closing it, just getting into the gap. And once it's into the gap, it's like, okay, good, we can go further up. So maybe that's the thing. I don't know. Nobody knows the gaps. The gaps is the big mystery in Bitcoin. The big mystery. What's gonna happen? And I don't like this line. As I said last video, Bitcoin, I don't like this line. Where's the line? Where's the line I like? Let's see. This is like, yeah, it was here, right? Wasn't it here yesterday? But it broke the line. It did not close. Yeah, it broke the line. See, I use this wick over here, but then you can just move and use the next wick right over here, and we can say, yeah, it hit wick there, hit wick here, and now it's hitting with the wick over here. So I don't think it's this line up here. I don't think so. I mean, it could be, but I don't think so. So we are moving the trend line a bit up as the price goes, and just hoping this is gonna go down soon, right, to close the gaps, so we can moon finally. But I don't know. I don't know. Everybody's hoping. I'm hoping for it. I'm hoping. I'm gonna be more relaxed. I'm gonna be like full bull after the CME gaps are closed. But right now, we have to close the gaps. And of course, on the let's check the RSI. The RSI. We're gonna check the RSI, and we're gonna check the MACD. RSI, MACD. As you can see, there is hidden bearish divergence. And we are using the close here, right? There was a guy in the comments, Nas something, I forgot his name, I don't want to check it up now, that told me that I'm using wicks on the RSI when I should be using closes for the RSI. So let's use closes here, closes there. This price goes up, right? The RSI goes up here, but the price goes down. The price goes down, and this is hidden bearish divergence. That means that price is gonna go down. But they said the hidden divergences are actually continuation patterns. So if this is gonna continue, it's gonna continue upwards, because we are an uptrend, not downtrend, right? So how can it be bearish? If it hidden divergence, we have to continue upwards. Let's check it out. Here, this is a hidden bearish divergence. This is from Baby Pips. I know investing at better articles, but this is really easily explained for everybody to watch instead of reading a long article about it. It says it's going from the price going from creates lower high. We did create lower high, right? But the oscillator makes a higher high, and it made a higher high, right? And that says, by now you probably guessed that this occurs in a downtrend. It occurs in a down, but we are not in a downtrend, we are in an uptrend. And somebody says the hidden divergences are continuation patterns, not reversal patterns. That bothers me. So that means that we are going to continue. See here, when we see hidden bearish divergence, chances are that the pair will continue to shoot lower and continue the downtrend. So continuation pattern. So if this is going to continue, the pattern is going to continue, that means we're going to go higher. So this is actually confirming that we are in bull run, right? I don't know. So if that's correct, if this RSI is telling us that we are going to continue upwards, then maybe we are in bull run, and CME futures are never gonna close. Take that into account. Okay guys, tomorrow is gonna be another Bitcoin video, probably with some more interesting stuff, except the 100 price movement up and down. We're gonna see, but from now on, only Bitcoin, all day, every day, until we hit the next all-time high in 2021, preferably, maybe in 2022, or if the inverse, what was called, into the cryptoverse guy says like 2023, 2024. So Bitcoin all the time. So subscribe if you want to see more Bitcoin videos. Like the video if you like this, and we're gonna see if we can figure out something else. The MACD looks like it's gonna continue upwards. Maybe, I don't know. We're gonna see. Have fun. Don't lose money. Bye bye.